exceed a lot of time, so but more questions. So this one I'll just, yeah, did you guys find what's happening here? Did anyone try this? I mean, here the idea is two-stage Miller OTA. I'm putting in unity feedback. I basically redrawn the same circuit like this, where you see from CC I've connected to the plus sign of GM1. From CC I've connected to the plus sign of GM1, and then that goes to the second stage, and the output of the second stage is where you have CC, and then I've just taken this and flipped it around. It is a simple redrawing. Nothing changed here, right? You check for GM1 the negative is grounded. Okay. So now it looks like with respect to GM2, I mean, now basically what I'm saying is there is no distinction between what GM2 and GM2 is. I mean, what if I say this is GM1 and this is GM2? See, earlier we had a differentiation of GM2 because in open loop, CC was put in feedback around the transconductor, and that was our second stage. Now if we put in unity feedback, looks like CC in feedback across both GM1 and GM2. Correct. Sorry?
In GM2, the positive sign is grounded, and GM1
yeah,
is grounded.
Correct.
The input depends.
No, see, for finding the poles, right, I don't have to worry about where the input is there, where output is there, right? So now the question is, CC is put in, I mean, looks like CC is in feedback across both GM1 and GM2. Yeah, but you guys pointed out, what is the difference? Across GM1, it is put as across GM2, right? So in fact, you find the, did I ask you to find the pole location? Yeah. You calculate the pole location, assuming only CC. Okay, you will get something. And you know the closed loop pole must be in left half plane or right half plane. You apply the condition, you will get something. Okay, now let's intuitively see. For GM1, CC is in positive feedback because it's connected to the positive terminal here. If I increases, this increases. It will keep increasing in the same direction. For GM2, so you have both positive and negative feedback. Finally, what should dominate? Negative feedback should dominate. So which should be higher? Okay. So you have to make sure the larger GM should have negative feedback. Okay. So that is why in the two-stage OTA, typically you try to keep GM2 to be greater than GM1. Right. Basically, the larger GM should have this in negative feedback. Because if I put it in unity feedback, as you see, you have both of them. If I design such that GM1 is greater than GM2, and you put it in unity feedback like this, you will find that GM1 is providing a positive feedback. The positive feedback will dominate the negative feedback. So overall, if you find the closed loop pole, it will be an RHP. Again, it's a first order circuit. You should be able to find the pole location. You apply an input here, take the output here or whatever. You find it. You will find that the pole is roughly at, I mean, you should get something like this, I think. GM1 minus GM2 by CC or something you should get. Something of this form. And then you will find that GM2 has to be greater than GM1 so that the pole is in left half plane. Okay. So I will stop here. And you solve it. If you have doubts, you let me know. We can discuss.